Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to perfectly draw a trend line that would help you take a trade and make better decision in forex trading, just like this one I'm drawing now. So the essence of drawing a trend line is so that you know the pattern the market is taking, the shape the market is taking, where to enter for buy or sell, and when to leave. Just like here now, this is a 1 hour time frame market and it's ranging. Yeah, though the market is going on an uptrend, so that's why it's doing that thing it's doing there. It's ranging. But as I always say, my teachings are based on small accounts. So if you have a small account, this is the point where you go to a lower time frame. Look at what is showing on a 4 hour time frame, right? So at this point, this is where you go for a lower time frame so that you will see clarity. This is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes time frame. You see it's giving you more shape. This is 15 minutes. You see what it's doing here. Just like a small account, if you're using a small account, this is what you do. This is 1 hour. So what I'm trying to say is this trend line is very important in trading. If you don't know how to draw it, you wouldn't know what to do at any particular point in time. You will just be trading blindly. Some people are actually professionals, right? So they don't need to draw it. Just mere looking at the market or looking at the chart, they know where to enter and where not to enter, where to set their stop loss and TP, and other things. But as a learner, as a beginner that you are, you need to draw this thing. You have seen the retest, you have seen where it has gotten and how it went back. It will spike and it will go back a particular place. See the trend line, how it took an uptrend, right? So this will tell you that at this point there is something you should do. So we that are trading with a small account, and I know as a beginner too, you are trading with a small account, at least you have $50 in your account, or let's say you are learning, you are still using your demo to trade. This is the point where you draw this trend line. Then you go to a lower time frame and take a trade. Like I said before, trend line will always help you to see well, to see what the market is doing, to see what the chart, where the chart is moving to and where it is stopping, to know where to take sell or buy, to know what to do next and how to do it, to know where to set your stop loss and your TP, take profit. All right. This is what I meant. This is about 3:26 a.m. So I screen recorded it so that I will use and do my tutorial this morning so that some people will learn from it. That's why I'm using voiceover. All right. Record I didn't do this voice while I was screen recording. I had already kept the video somewhere so that when I'm awake and active, I will add the voice notes or voiceover so that everybody will understand what I'm saying. All right. So this point now, you can as well draw another one, draw another trend line at the upper part of the chart, upper part of the candles. All right. So that you'll be able to know where to take your sell because this is 1000. Normally what we do here is sell, but professionals will also be catching spike. So you draw this one at the upper part so that you know where the buy, that's the green candle, stops. That's where you sell from, and you will know where to put your stop loss. Okay, so these are the ways to draw a trend line. That's way the market is moving. Just draw your lines there, choose a line and draw there, and that will be it. It's not a big deal. It's very easy. It will even make the trading very easy for you. Okay, so at this point you go to a 5 minute time frame. That's where I always take my trade from. As you can see, it's very, very visible. Even the blind knows what to do at this point. You have seen where the market retested and how it's going to sell for a small time, because the highest I take from a trade is $5. Then I will check for another condition to be met according to my strategies, the strategies that I use. So this is a 5 minute time frame, and you see it's very, very visible. You can see that it's, what to do is already, it has already fallen out for you. If he's my mathematics teacher, he will say the answer don't jump out. What to do don't jump out like this is for you to enter. Set your stop loss somewhere there. That place that the selling started falling from. That place that the red candle started forming from. That's where you should set your stop loss, because we are using a small account here. Oh. Remember, your account is still small. So set your stop loss there. Like that place now, 18314 7852. That's your stop loss. Since you are watching it, you don't need to state any TP. So set your stop loss there, enter the market. Let's see how it goes. This is me setting the stop loss because I don't trade without setting a stop loss. That's the first thing I do. I analyze it, write out the stop loss number, and I do it immediately. This is my demo account, so this is the place I use in practicing some things. So this is it. This is 329 by 341. Let's see what it has done. See our market. See what it has done. It's still selling, right? It's still selling. And don't be greedy. Any market you enter, make sure to take few dollars and you leave, because you're using a small account. Don't come and be flipping $50 to have $1,500. Please don't do that. You end up blowing your account, and at the end of the day, you will be thinking forex trading is a scam. This thing requires patience, just like every other business. You don't jump into it. If you jump in, you will jump out. All right? Set your stop loss as small as 1%, 2% of your account. Let it be your stop loss. Let it be your stop loss. I always hammer on this. If you are not setting a stop loss, you are gambling, and this is not Sportybet or Naira Bet or Bet Niger. Don't mind me. So this is 351 and it's still selling. We have already gotten $4.53. So this is it. This $4.53, if you should close by this time, you are still on profit. You check for another opportunity like this and you enter again, you will close. All right. So mind you, this is the lowest lot size, 0.2 in Boom 1000. And for you to execute this kind of market, you will have at least $7 account. $7 account will enable you take this kind of market or trade. See what you have got. Okay, see the margin, 6.10. It's not even up to $7. So if you have this kind of account, you don't need to risk it all. Don't risk it all. Risk a little. But I will not advise you to start your forex trading with a $10 account. No. Start with 50 and above. Because this my teachings is for small accounts. But when I say small account, it's not $10 or $15. $50 and above. All right? Then gradually make your profit. By the time you take this kind of market like 2, 3, 4 times in a day, you make up to $20 or even $30 as the case may be. $30 every day, calculate it in a month. Who will pay you this kind of money in this country? Like, but you are doing it relaxing in your house. You are doing it folding your arms. Me, I woke up to pee. Then I said, let me check market. And this is what I met. I'm even regretting that I didn't take it from my real account, because I would have been $5 richer. $5 is money now. Calculate it. Share dollar is 1,006 something. Then calculate it by 5. Who won't dash you? Even the least 2k, nobody wants to give you now. So try this before you activate, you do this kind of thing. Try it in your demo before you go live. As I always advise, I want to close it at $5, and that's where I will close it. Feel free to ask your questions. I'm always here to answer you. And thank you all for always watching. Thank you all for always supporting. Thank you for always subscribing. I'm not taking it for granted. But please, I'm begging you, learn before going live. Thank you and bye.